Hi guys, welcome back to Fanani App channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about dynamic tension. So, this dynamic tension exercise enable you to train actually anywhere, anytime without any equipment. Why? Because dynamic tension exercise is an exercise that make our muscle fight against our muscle to make both of them stronger. Dynamic tension exercise is very good for neuromuscular connection, the connection of your nervous system and the muscle. You know, for example, if we have like the analogy is like in the factory. In this hand factory, like we have 100 muscle, maybe 100 muscle fiber. Just say 100. Normally, maybe only 30 of them is working. So the 70 is not really working for us. With this exercise, we send more of a electrical signal to our muscle fiber. So more of them will work. Like if initially it's 30, now it can be 40 or more. So we have many more workers to work together with us. And what if our to make our muscle bigger? Bigger muscle means bigger and stronger. Each muscle fiber, each of the worker is bigger and stronger. So if just 30 worker but they are bigger, so of course they can do many more work than just 30 but normal. But dynamic tension exercise is good for neuromuscular connection. So it's better for make more worker than to make our own muscle fiber bigger. But they actually dynamic tension is good for make our muscle bigger too. So dynamic tension term was first founded by Charles Atlas in 1920s. At that time, he saw a tiger in the zoo, and he thought, why tiger can be so strong but they don't lift any weight or do some kind of push-up or anything. After he observed the tiger, he found out that tiger picks his own muscle to his other muscle. Like if you see a cat, they usually like that when after they wake up or something. So let's dive into it. How to do dynamic tension. Oh, before that, actually dynamic tension is already also found in Eastern, like in India, in Kalari Payatu training, fighting training, and in China they call it Qigong, and Japanese like in the Sanshin Karate, and in Indonesia, in my place, we call it latihan tenaga dalam, which is inner power training. So yes, we train our neuromuscular connection, our electricity to make us stronger. And now how to do it? So basically, first you must activate your muscle that you are going to use. For example, this is relax, right? And it's tensing. I'm tensing the muscle. So to me, dynamic tension is halfway tensing the muscle. Like we activate this, like we are going to use this. See, it's already a little bit tense, but not really just tensing our muscle. And now I want to train my push. So first I activate all the muscle that I want to push and my core. After I activate all the muscle, I try to push as hard as I can. I imagine that in front of me in my palm, I push a very heavy object. See? And again. Pause. Missing out.
Okay.
It was. If we want to pull it, the same thing. We imagine that we activate all the muscle first, and then we imagine we pull a very very heavy object like. And very very slowly. And push, something like that. Dynamic tension exercise is also effective if you play a sport, like maybe a badminton. And how to do it? Maybe like this kind of move in badminton. It's all the same. We all activate our muscle first, then we are going to use to do that movement, and then we do it slowly and imagine that it is a very very heavy thing to do. Very very slowly and stable and heavy. Or doing a tennis and this kind of movement. Or a smash. Or maybe for running, or it can do at any moment. We want to run, we do it very slowly, activate all our muscle that we use. Yeah, something like that. And maybe you think that dynamic tension is a lot like active quasi-isometric. It's not wrong, it's right, and I will tell you about that more in the other video. And for now, thank you so much for your support, and please share this video to your family or friend that want to know about dynamic tension. And of course, feel free to comment down below if you want to ask about dynamic tension or you have an opinion about that. Thank you so much, everybody.